Riding a bike is one of the best workouts you can get for your cardiovascular system and for keeping fit. While normal cycling is great for your legs, it doesn't do much for the muscles of your upper body. What if there was a bike that could give your arms and upper body the same kind of workout you'd get by rowing or going to a gym?
Hi, my name is Boyan, and I came up with Bicycle, which does exactly that.
By adding a secondary paddling system for your hands, you can now achieve the same kind of workout with your arms and upper body as with your legs. In addition to your lower body, you can work your biceps, triceps, chest, shoulders, lats, abs, as well as the entire core by using varying riding techniques. And all this while enjoying beautiful outdoor scenery and breathing in fresh air. Twice the workout, twice the fun.
Bicycle is particularly useful when going up hills and your legs get tired, as you can just take over with your arms. This here is over 20% gradient, and we have no problem just going up.
Use Twicycle as a normal bike, a hand cycle, or a combination of both. Twicycle comes with gears, so you can increase or lower resistance to perfectly tailor your individual needs and is equally suitable for both women and men. Chest pads provide full upper body support and prevents riders from making contact with the chainring. There is also an optional chainring cover. Twicycle is easy to operate. Steering handles can achieve tight maneuvers and double as arm cranks. We believe that the most enjoyable workout happens when it's combined with adventure. If you are the kind of person who likes working out outdoors, then this is the right product for you.
This is John. Like 63% of all bicycle users, John had his bicycle stolen, and it keeps happening.
Not again!
Bicycle locks today are really old-fashioned. They're heavy, poorly designed, and have terrible value for money. Imagine John could take out his smartphone and locate his bicycle while the thief is on the run. We have invented the first GPS-tracked, siren-alarmed, sensor-enabled bicycle lock. Best of all, there's no key. It is fully remote-controlled with your smartphone. So, how does it work? With Lock8, John can secure his bicycle easily with a swipe of his finger on the app. Or, he can simply walk away to activate the alarm with or without the cable. Now, John's bike is safe. When a thief tries to tamper with the lock, it will trigger a painfully loud alarm since the cable is wired. And you immediately receive a push notification on your mobile phone, which allows you to react quickly. If he attempts to hammer it off, or if he uses a saw, the vibration sensor will also trigger the alarm. Freezing Lock8 or attempting to melt it will be useless since the device also has a thermometer, which will trigger the alarm in case of an abrupt change in temperature. With the community alarm feature, you can add other people so that they also receive the push notification in case you're away. You can locate, share, borrow, and lend bikes. With Lock8, you can send an electronic key to your friends on Facebook and allow them to use your bike anywhere, anytime.
Introducing the Coros Omni Smart Cycling Helmet with bone conduction audio that gives you a safe, wireless, budless precision audio experience as you ride. Our technology delivers audio vibrations through your upper cheekbones and directly into your inner ear, keeping your ears open to listen to your environment and your hands on the bike. Combined with a wind-resistant microphone in your smartphone, you can play music, listen to voice navigation and ride data, and even take calls. Controls are right at your fingertips. With the smart remote, you can skip tracks, adjust volume, answer calls, and activate the safety light for maximum visibility. And with the cloud-based Koros smartphone app, you can set and save routes, track ride data, share, and compete all in real time. All of this integrated into a performance helmet that's sleek, lightweight, aerodynamic, and safe, giving you the power to stay connected and the freedom to love your ride.